Hi everyone, I've got a really quick craft hack for you. This is something I've been doing for quite a long time and I get an awful lot of questions about how to glue your intricate die cuts, your intricate pieces to your papercraft projects. So this is the way I do it. Let me know in the comments if you've found other ways of doing this without glue spreading everywhere and to make sure the entire area is completely glued down. Now, gluing intricate die cuts is something that I get a lot of questions about, and a lot of us will take a wet glue because we can move it around for a few seconds after placing. It usually dries clear, but how would we apply this? Now, a lot of us will go with this method and we will put little dots on the back of our die cut. Now, not only is this time consuming, but when you do put that down onto your project, that glue is going to just come out of the edges of the die cut and not look very neat at all. In addition to this, you don't have full coverage, so you're going to have areas where you may get lifting, for example, if you've not applied the glue there. So I'm going to show you not only a quicker way of gluing your intricate die cuts like this, but also a much neater and more stable way as well. So I have a mat here to protect my surface. This is a resistant mat and I'm going to put some of my glue, and I don't need a lot here, onto the mat. So that's a wet glue. This is the Creative Craft product bookbinding glue, which is absolutely perfect for sticking cardstock or paper to paper. Then I've got a choice of two tools that I like to use. I have a foam applicator. Now this doesn't have to be a foam applicator with a handle. This can be one that you hold in your hand. So for example, like the makeup sponges, or it can be one like this. Now with this, of course, I'm not going to get quite so mucky fingers, but I still have the foam. The foam will absorb most of the glue and just apply a small amount to your cardstock. Then I've also got a brayer. I find a brayer the absolute best way. So what I'm going to do is with the brayer, I'm just going to put a small amount all over the brayer by rolling it back and forth through the glue until I've got a thin layer on there. And on the back of my die cut, I'm just going to roll over the surface. Now it's important to keep your die cut still on your mat while you do this, because if you lift it up and then place it back down again, if you move it, you're going to be placing the front of your die cut into some of the glue around. So this way I am just applying to all of the reverse a nice really thin layer. So now I can put that onto my cardstock. Let's just lay that down, press it down. As you can see, all the areas have glue on, so I have absolutely nowhere that's lifted up at all and absolutely no glue splodges either. So this is the perfect way to apply your wet glue to your intricate die cuts. And if you're using the foam applicator, you simply do very similar. You pick up and work the glue into the foam and then press it into the die cut. So I hope this 3-minute craft hack helps you to glue your intricate die cuts down and other items on your craft projects. So I hope you found that useful. Of course, as always, any questions, pop them in the comments. And if you haven't done already, I'd love it if you could subscribe. Take care, everybody. I'll see you again on my channel very soon.